What do you do with the waste that you get from your kitchens, your environment, your household? Do you know you can use them to produce very powerful poultry feed and reduce the cost and dependence on commercial feed? Watch the video till the end.
Hello. What you are seeing here is called Distillers Dried Grains Soluble. This is waste from local drinks like kunu, brukutu, pap. These grains must have been ground, fermented, and processed into either pap or kunu. In the northern side of Nigeria, they call it kunu or brukutu. In the northern side also. These are local drinks. These drinks are highly rich in protein and energy and other vitamins and minerals. The waste as a result of such process is called Distillers Dried Grains Soluble. You can see it is properly dried up to 100%. This is a waste product. It is waste, and it can be converted into producing organic poultry feed for different poultry and livestock animals, which includes broilers, layers, turkey, geese, guinea fowl, goats, sheep, cattle, and others. If you give this directly to the goats and sheep, they can eat it directly as it is. You give it to them and make sure you serve them water. You give it to cow can eat this directly. The fermentation process have increased the protein content of this particular waste. In this particular video, I will give you the nutritional composition of this last dry grain soluble as an organic product for producing organic poultry feed for your livestock animals. Watch the video and make sure you share it to reach more poultry farmers, especially farmers who are interested in reducing the cost of running their poultry and livestock animals. This product is a waste and it is very cheap because as a result of it's a waste, the main ingredients have been used to produce one product or the other, either drinks or pap or others. The waste is sold at a very cheaper rate. So, you want to drop the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals, make use of organic waste from industries, kitchen, and others, and domestic waste like this. Please give this video a thumb up if this particular topic interests you. If you benefit from this topic, give it a thumb up and make sure at the comment section, tell me if you have this in large quantity in your area or other waste you think that can be used to produce organic poultry feed that you don't know. Please let me know on the comment section so that I can also give you nutritional value. And if you want a very good broiler starter, finisher, and grower feed formula using this last dry grain soluble, let me know on the comment section. I will also give you that formula. Let me know your thoughts, what you think about the particular topic. Share and watch to the end. Let's get to the nutritional composition of this last dry grain soluble.
Complete nutritional composition of this last dry grain soluble. Crude protein 26 to 30% crude protein, crude fat 8 to 12%, crude fiber 7 to 10%, ash, these are minerals 4 to 6%, moisture 8 to 12%, nitrogen extract or carbohydrates 45 to 55%, metabolizable energy 2,800 to 3,200 calories per kilogram. Then the amino acid profile, protein quality, lysine 0.7 to 1.0%, methionine 0.5 to 0.6%, 16 0.4 to 0.5%, thionine 0.9 to 1.1%, tryptophan 0.2 to 0.3%, arginine 1.0 to 1.2%. Leucine, 3.0 to 3.5%. This is very high. Leucine, 1.0 to 1.2%. Valine, 1.2 to 1.5%. Histidine, 0.7 to 0.9%. Other mineral compositions include calcium, 0.05 to 0.15%. Phosphorus, 0.6 to 0.9%. This is very high. Sodium, 0.1 to 0.3%. Potassium, 0.8 to 1.2%. Magnesium, 0.2 to 0.4%. Sulfur, 0.3 to 0.5%. Trace minerals includes iron, zinc, magnesium, copper, and selenium. For iron, 40 to 80 milligram per kilogram. Zinc, 40 to 90 milligram per kilogram. Magnesium, 10 to 20 milligram per kilogram. Copper, 3 to 10 milligram per kilogram. Selenium, 0.1 to 0.3 milligram per kilogram. Then vitamin content: vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6. Then vitamin B1 is thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pancreatic acid, B6 pyridoxine acid, and folic acid and choline. Other important components of Distillers Dried Grains soluble include yeast residues, which improves digestion. It has xenophile component, which enhance yolk coloration in laying birds. It has residual sugar and fermentation products. These are antioxidants that help to increase the weight of your poultry and livestock animals. The key benefit of these to poultry feed includes it promotes very high weight gain, up to 3 kg in 5 weeks. It reduces costs of feed significantly. It improves gut health and digestion. It enhances egg yolk color in layers and eggs. It provides high energy and protein combinations. How do you use it? Broilers. If you're making feed for broilers, use 10 to 20% inclusion rate. For layers, 10 to 15% inclusion rate. Always balance with lysine rich ingredients like soya bean or fish meal. Don't use them alone. Some farmers give this directly to their birds. It is not balanced unless you use it to formulate their feed. That means you must add other ingredients to make up the balanced nutrition for your livestock to grow well. Distillers Dried Grain is powerful, but balance is everything. Combine it with other organic ingredients to avoid amino acid imbalance and achieve maximum growth. Please, if you want me to develop a feed formula using Distillers Dried Grains, that is DDGS, you can drop it on the comment section. If the number of people that drop it on the comment section will determine if I will give you this formula or not. Let us know your view about this particular topic. What do you think about Distillers Dried Grain soluble? Is it good? Have you used it before? Do you have those that produce or that have them in large quantity in your area? Please share your opinion about this particular topic on the comment section. Let's grow together. Thank you for watching. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Share it to your platforms, groups, and other platforms you belong. This will help us to increase awareness about this particular product that will help you to drop the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available. Feed boosters are available. Eco Cosicure, they are still in stock. If you need any of them, please send me a message on the comment section. I will reply you and give you a WhatsApp number that you use to get your order to your location. Thank you for watching. Share the video, drop your comment, and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed. Join our channel membership if you have not joined yet. Those of you that are already our channel members, God will continue to bless and prosper you in your business. Your own will never lose. Till we meet again in the next video that is loading very soon. For now, bye.